What are the best ways to learn about Ireland's cultural history and heritage? If you're curious about Ireland's rich cultural history and heritage, you're in for a treat. There are several ways to dive into this fascinating world, and we're here to guide you through them. First, let's talk about language. Learning Gaelic is a great way to connect with Ireland's past and present. You can join community classes, use online resources, or participate in educational programs in schools and universities. These initiatives have increased participation from diverse age groups and have fostered a new generation of Gaelic speakers. Ireland's connection to the sea is another significant aspect of its culture. Visiting places like the Cove Heritage Centre in County Cork or walking the Maritime Mile in Belfast can give you a deep understanding of the maritime history and its impact on the country. The sea has shaped lives, myths, and even the famous Aran sweater. Literary heritage is a cornerstone of Irish culture. Ireland has produced for Nobel Prize winners in literature, including George Bernard Shaw, W.B. Yeats, Samuel Beckett, and Seamus Heaney. You can explore this heritage by visiting the Museum of Literature Ireland in Dublin or attending literary events like Bloomsday or the Dalkey Book Festival. Walking the Dublin Literary Pub Crawl is another great way to experience the literary side of Ireland. Music is another vibrant part of Irish culture. Traditional pubs across the island host musicians and guest performers, making them great places to enjoy live music. You can even join in if you have the know-how, as the more the merrier is the Irish way. For a more historical perspective, visit sites like the Hill of Tara, the Rock of Cashel, or the megalithic sites of Brú Boina. These places are not just scenic spots but historical markers that reveal Ireland's complex past. Understanding the mythology and folklore associated with these landscapes can provide insights into Irish cultural identity. The Gaelic learned tradition is also worth exploring. Places like Cahermacnetan in County Clare, which was a school of legal learning, and Church Island in County Sligo, known for its poetic family tradition, offer a glimpse into the medieval arts and seats of learning. Here, you can learn about the hereditary learned families and their patrons, and see the physical environments where they lived and taught. If you're interested in the modern integration of Irish culture, you can look into how customs, traditions, and languages from around the world have been incorporated into Irish life. For example, after English, Polish is the most widely used foreign language in Ireland, followed by several other languages. Finally, attending cultural events and festivals is a great way to experience Ireland's heritage firsthand. Events like St. Patrick's Day, Halloween, and Christmas celebrations are deeply rooted in Irish history and culture. These festivals offer a chance to see how these traditions are kept alive and celebrated today. By engaging with these various aspects of Irish culture, you'll get a rich and well-rounded understanding of the country's history and heritage. Whether it's through language, literature, music, or historical sites, there's something for everyone to enjoy and learn from.